everyone, my name is Catherine and I'm the social media manager at Concord. Today I will be showing you guys the everyWOK. It is a collaboration between Concord and the Duckhouse. My family and I love to use everyWOK on a daily because of its elegant, beautiful look. The handle is comfortable, easy to take off, and it comes with a steamer. The steamer is big enough for a whole fish or plenty of vegetables and shellfish. My favorite part is the wok. The wok comes with non-stick coating, which is great for stir fry, and also a simple, quick, tasty, delicious fried rice. So when I'm making a dish that requires many components such as steaming, stir frying, and boiling all in one dish, I don't have to worry about using any other cookware besides everyWOK. Well, I could boil on the bottom, steam on top, and then stir fry it all together in the end. Today, I will be showing you guys one of my favorite dishes to make, which is the lobster pasta. My family loves it, so I love making it for them. Let's get cooking!
Alright guys, on the menu today we have lobster pasta. The wok fits perfectly on a traditional size sink. Let's go ahead and move to the stove. Now that we have water in the pot, we're gonna go ahead and cover up with the lid so that the water could come to a boil faster. Make sure to stir the noodles and try a strand to see if it's the way you like it. Personally, I prefer mine al dente. Now for the steaming portion, as you can see we have some very fresh ingredients. Here is the fun part. Now that all your ingredients are prepped and ready, go ahead and stack everyWOK back together. Now we have created a healthy and clean dish. When the wok is hot enough, it is finally time to bring the dish together. We're gonna go ahead and start off with melting our butter. Make sure you don't burn your butter, and we're gonna go ahead and toss in some minced garlic. When the garlic looks golden brown, it's time to put in our red diced onions. After the red onion and garlic are well combined, see if the red onion is translucent, and if so, go ahead and toss in your lobster. Continuously stir the garlic and lobster together so that the lobster is well coated with crunchy garlic bits. We're finally finished with my creamy, flavorful pasta.
So, I don't know about you guys, but I'm not the biggest fan of washing dishes. And with everyWOK, usually what I do is I would put it on the table after I'm done making the dish and serve it to my family. I don't need another plate that I would have to wash.
Hand washing a cookware like this will keep the pieces looking nice. I know how rough dishwashers can be, and maintaining this wok by hand washing will keep the everyWOK's longevity. The non-stick coating on the wok makes it easy to clean. You just need some warm water and dish soap.
You guys like everyWOK as much as I do. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and share. The product link will be down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!